So guys, it's the One Sparkle Girl. I'm Blue Sparkle. And, today we're going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. You'll need a cutting board. Some melted chocolate. We've already melted ours, but you may want to melt yours. Some strawberries and some sprinkles. I'm using gold ones, rainbow ones, and all different types of sprinkles. I'll show it to you guys. Different sprinkles on there. So, if you guys just heard that, that was my sister over there doing her video. And without further ado, let's get started. So, Daddy, should I use the purple the paper towel, or just do it on that board? So, I want to do this red and shiny one first. I'm going to stand to do this. And you're going to take your melted chocolate, pick up the spatula, get some chocolate on it, and put the chocolate on the strawberry. It should, even though it's juicy, it may not stay on well. It may look red and turn a bit more redder. So, and maybe some more chocolate just to put there, but a tiny bit though. You guys can see how it's turning out. I don't want my hands to get so chocolatey. So this is the strawberry. And this is how it's finished with. So after that, I'm thinking about adding maybe these pink sprinkles. So all you want to do is just make sure that, okay, I'm on this pink sprinkle. All you want to do is then grab your, and just sprinkle. Ah, this isn't working. I have to open this up like this. Okay, now I'm gonna roll it around in this because I have lots of sprinkles sided that I dropped. So I can just dab the sprinkles in the chocolate. The pudding board's getting very, very messy. So then all you wanna do is do this, and you have your shimmer. And then I also wanna do maybe some pearls. So let's open the pearls up and, whoa! That was a lot of pearls. And you can scoop the pearls up into one big thing. Accidentally made a big mess, but it's okay. I got some sprinkles right there. So take off the side sprinkles and sprinkle all of the side sprinkles on. And I got some sprinkles on there. Why do I keep dropping all the sprinkles? And this is one strawberry done. And I'm going to put it over this way. Chocolate's good. If you want to know what the chocolate is, it's dark chocolate with a milk chocolate. I'm going to mix it up a bit more so the dark chocolate mixes with the milk chocolate. Okay. So now that this is done, the next one I'm going to do is this one. So this one's going to be one just chocolate strawberry. And I'm going to just wrap and go rounds. And I'm liking it being like this. Can I go in? Yes, you can. Thank you for asking. So I have one chocolate, and I'm gonna sprinkle some beads on. Chocolate hands.
Why can I eat some chocolate?
Like, right here or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
I get this.
Okay, that's enough. Blue sprinkles. All I'm gonna do, just stick these on, and this will really, really well stick on. Maybe some beads over this way. And this is my second strawberry done. Okay. I'll save the biggest for last. My sister's gonna do this one, and I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna do this.
Okay, you take it and then I take it.
And I'm gonna rub the chocolate all around my strawberry, like you would usually do. And I want to make sure it does not drip.
I finished mine.
Oof, that's what the cutting board's for. Oof, let's put some sprinkled chocolate and one bit more chocolate. Okay.
Now it's my turn.
I'm gonna put some in my hand. Good amount on the board, and I'm gonna pour it on the board. And then all you gotta do is just roll it around in the sprinkles, and the sprinkles should show up.
Lyla, I need help.
Okay. And then I'm good.
If this one.
It's all chocolatey. And I'm gonna put I want to put the sprinkles on, Charlotte. This is.
Can I
Okay.
choose the sprinkles?
Those ones, okay. Charlotte, it's not gonna work that way.
Oh, okay.
And then just pour some on the board like this, and then you can roll the strawberry around. Or you do that. So you sprinkle some hearts on it. And then the chocolate's almost done. Just gotta do some hearts on it.
And you make.
Just taking and dabbing this in the heart sprinkles and then rolling it around in the chocolates. Okay. So here are all my strawberries. my favorite one is probably the first one I made because I love the pearls. And my second favorite, blah, I got some strawberry thing in my mouth. And I am happy of how I made these, and I'll see you next time on Sparkle Girls. Bye!